What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe down below. So today's video is going to be the front differential change. So let's check out what we need. So I have my ratchet with a 15mm to take off the skid plate and the fill plug, and I got a 13 for the drain. I got my ratchet and I got my impact just in case it's too tight, and we're using it's 1.75 quarts for the front differential, but I got my two bags here. My Valvoline full synthetic 7590 gear oil. It has the easy fill, but I also have a pump that I could use if it doesn't work the angle that I'm in to fill. So before we do that, let's take off the skid plate. Okay, there's 4 bolts. Alright guys, so I use my torque wrench to get it off. That shit was super tight, like unbelievable. Like, yeah, and I was using, what is it? 4 pounds of torque, 20. I think it's 20 or 24 foot-pounds of torque, but I got it off the top one, which is the 15mm. Now, before you do any fluid change, make sure you can take off the fill port. Look at that. Wowzers. Let's spray that off. And put the bottom bolt back in so we can start filling. So this whole process took me like 15 minutes already to try to get that top bolt off. There. I think I might use the pump since I'm not jacked up. Hopefully none comes out. Post the whole bag plus some. Looks good right there. If I topped it off, it's coming out now. There you go. And I'll torque this down to 22. So overall, it was easy. Just I couldn't get it off with my bare hands. So this took about 30 minutes for me to do because it was torqued on, the top one, it's supposed to be torqued on. I just thought I was able to, I don't have leverage laying on the floor since the truck is not lifted. So it took about 30 minutes to do the front differential. Now I'm gonna do the, put the skid plate back on, and then, yeah, that was the front differential. So I used my, my torque wrench to take it off, then torqued it back down to 22. But yeah, there it is. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.